War Day number 763. 763 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Welcome today. Today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, March the 27th, 2024. We have here 3 regular puzzles. And those puzzles are the 3 Stars Sudoku, the 4 Stars Sudoku, and the binary. And we have also an additional in this newspaper. Let me show you 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. We have here the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle, and these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. Just told you that earlier. But first, yeah, these 3 regular puzzles. And the first one I will solve is the 3 Stars Sudoku. Yeah, 3 stars. Need to put this up. We need some space here, Mr. Spaceman. Okay. The first one, the 3 Stars Sudoku, will be number. Let me zoom this. Yeah. Will be number 8258. 8258. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 28 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Because usually the 3 Stars Sudoku has 25 printed digits. This one has 3 more. And should be a 0 stars. 0 stars, I need to be faster than 40, maybe 30 minutes. But it's indicated with 3 stars. For 3 stars, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 Stars Sudoku or 0 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see. We have here 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in this big square. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 in the last row, 2 in that row, so the row between. The only place left for the 2 should be there. And now, yeah, let me see. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 2. Need a 2 here. Alright. We have a 1 and a 2 here. Need a 1 here. Okay. We have a pair, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2. We have a 1 and a 2 in this row, so no 1 and a 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 1 and a 2 in the last column, so no 1 and a 2 in that box. So 2 boxes are left in this big square. For the 1 and 2 goes in these 2 boxes. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in 1 in the last column, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. Oh wait, we have a pair. The 6 and the 9 in this row, the 6 and the 9 in the row below. So the last row, only 2 places left for the 6 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, only place left for the 6 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 and 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. And now. These 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 3, 4, 5. That means that 2 numbers are left in this last row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. Cannot feel this yet. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 3 in the second column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright. 4, 7, 8. 4, 7, 8. 7, 8. Let me see. Need a 7 here. Need a 9. Well, we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the column next, so last column. The only place left for the 9 should be there. So 2 numbers left in the last column, 4 numbers, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. We have a 5 now in this big square, so this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this big square, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing, 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column, 4 numbers, the 1, 2 is missing, the 3, 4 is missing, 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes that appear in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. All right. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row. Only 2 places left on the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there, 9, 9. Need a 9 here. Okay. And now, need a 6 here. And come on. Yeah, I'm thinking. Need a 1 here. How about 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row, so the row between. The second row, the only place left for the 3 should be here. 3, 3. Need a 3 there. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 in these 3 boxes. Here, 3 in this row, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in this row, 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, or there. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 in the second column, no 3 there. Only place left for the 3 should be there. And now, let me see. 8. Come on. 8, 8. 1, 2, 4. Need a 4 here. Yeah. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, now only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1, okay. Then 2, 5, 6. We have a 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. And we have a pair again, I believe. The 6 and the 1 in the first row. The 6 and the 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 3 places left for the 6 and the 1 goes in these 3 boxes. 6 and 1, 6 and 1, 6 and 1. And look, we have 6 and 1 in this third column. No 6 and 1 in this box. 6 and 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So here 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4. Here also 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Five, 8, 9. 8, 8. Well, 9, 9. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 3, 4. I'm thinking. Need also 6 here. Yeah, I'm thinking. Need a 9 here. And I need a... Come on, this is taking too long. 1. Need a 1 here. Need a 7 there. Need a 7 here. Okay. Yeah. 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Okay. Yeah, I'm thinking. Still thinking. 4. Need a 4 here. 4. Ah. Need a 4 here. 4. 4, 3, 6, 9, 1. Okay. Could be a 5 here. 2 and a 4. Yeah. 2, 2, 2. 2. Come on. 2 and a 5. We already have a 2 here. Overlooked. We have a 2 in the middle column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Yeah. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 box left in the second row for the the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 1 box left in the first row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So the first column only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. Need a 5 here. 3, 4, 5. So here 3 and the 4 are left. Okay. Need a 9 here. 9, 5. 5, 5. Here should be the 5. 9, 5, and the 8. No. 2, 8, and the 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, and the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 2, 7, 8. 2, 7, 8, 2, 7, 8, 2, 7, 8. And look, we have 2 and a 7 in this column. So no 2 and a 7 in this box. 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. 7 and 8. We have a 7 now in this first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, no, only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, only place left, 8 should be there. And 1 box left in the third column, and the 4 number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. Okay, so we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And 1 box left in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 3, 4, 5, and look, we have a 3 and a 5 in this column, so no 3, 5 in this box. 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 box left in the middle row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, we have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1 is missing. 2, 3, and a 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4, we have 4 in this first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, And the one goes, they are finished in 14 minutes. Wow. Maybe I talked too much in the beginning. Otherwise, it will be a 0 stars. So let me give this a 1 star. Yeah. 1 star puzzle. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file. So make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Regular puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.